here's the other side. So put the clamp into the metal side first because it's actually it's fat enough that it wouldn't go in otherwise. So push this in nicely. Press. We may have to reposition the ears of this clamp again when I thread it in. We'll see. So that's the disadvantage of these ear clamps, that their ears are quite thick, or they protrude quite a lot. Not exactly thick. So that's it. So it's nice and tight there. So long as this doesn't butt up against anything, I think I will have to move the ears. So this goes in the engine block, so it won't do to have this here. So I'll have to move it so that it faces outwards. Hope you can see this. So, as outwards as I can make it. That's it. Now I'm going to thread it through.